Hello YouTubers. A few days ago my wife has spilled some water on her Sony Xperia 4G mobile phone, and the problem was that the phone get sudden death issue and was not able to not to fill the battery, not to open to start the system, not able to boot. So I was trying to find some solutions. I get some solutions on internet, and I would like to send you my experience on with this video. Maybe I will help you in some cases when you will have this issue too. First, what you need to do now, it's okay. This phone, it's okay. I have solved it, and that's why I'm making this video. The first what you need to do is to get this software here. You're typing on a Google Xperia companion, Xperia companion, and you will get the first result. Click on the first result, and you will see this website. This is official website of Sony. It's for support of the customers. Click here to download the Windows version, or maybe you have other operating system. After you will download it, install. I have already installed it here, and after you are going to install, you should click on the this icon, and you will see the this program, where you will have to click here on this this link here, software repair. Click on software repair, because this will lead you to directly to the procedure. You click here, and after that ask you about the importance of give you instruction about the importance of doing this. Click next. Give you the information, that caution information, that you're going to lose the Google account, and you are going to restart the phone from beginning. Click here, okay, yes, then click next, and the software for Xperia repair is initializing, and after this may take on the first time a few minutes, but don't cancel it. It will be done. After you are going to get this menu, you are going to see that the process is very easy. Everything you should do is to disconnect your device from the computer if it's already connected, but most probably you're going to have a problem with your device, and you're not even if you're plugging the device, you're not going to be able to connect to the computer. This is the main problem which can be solved with this program. And the next step is to turn off the device and wait for 5 seconds. This is those two steps are in case your phone everything is okay, but you want to repair it because of some software issues. And this will basically set up your phone on the factory settings, and it will be repairing if you have some troubles with, maybe you have some mess with development options, or etc. This is the third one is crucial. You should press and hold the down button. This is the button here. You have 3 buttons: power, up, and down. You are going to press down button and hold it, and you're going to put mini USB plug to the power to the USB port. You're going to put here, but in same time, sorry for because I'm doing with one hand, you should do it with both hands, pressing here, holding, and put the plug in the USB port, and hold it until you will see it on the fourth point of this in following instructions, you will see that you should hold it until the system recognize its own. After he recognizes it, it will start to fill in the repairing. In my situation, it was not able to fill completely, because it should fill completely, but in my case was not able to fill completely because the phone was maybe some problems with the water or something like that, and was not able to complete to fill in completely. And I was trying few times and I was not aware what's happening, why my phone is not able. I was in some point disappointed, and I was expecting that I'm not going to bring it back. After few attempts, I have put the phone to the charger, and after charging few minutes, I have get the results that the phone is okay. Even the process was not filled in. So don't be discouraged if the program fails few times. You will not going to discourage yourself, because it has a possibility to be successfully repaired, because most probably the case in this situation, why the sudden death is coming, because it's on the beginning, the booting of the system, it's somehow broken or corrupted. So if you have you're struggling to find the solution why the software is not completed, don't worry. Few times you're going to, maybe it was 10% of the full process, and after I have put on the plug on the charger, I have get the results success, and the phone is not now, it's ready. So we can use it. As you can see here, I have a problem with the water which was dropping, and now the phone, it's everything okay. It's functioning, and you can do everything you want with your phone. It's started to work. So I want to mention one thing more. The software will start to doing itself when the green light it's appear here. When you're holding and put the connector from USB, you will see that the green, it's a red dot here for filling. After the green light is appears, the software will automatically start to finding your phone and starting the process. I hope this will help. If you have some issues and you're not maybe I have not make a good presentation, but I would like to help. If someone have some questions, please write me in the description. I will leave some links to find the software in the description, and hope you're going to solve your problem. Thank you for watching.